Hey guys, okay, so like I said, I'm going to do a short tutorial video on how to work the dynamic math activity for those of you who your children are working on addition. So when you go to log into your child's ULS account and then you click on the math activity, if you look on the side where it says go and you can go to different activities, you will see this. Hold on a second. There it is. You will see this. It says dynamic activity adding to 10 vertical. Okay, so when you see that, this is what comes up on the screen, what's on my screen right now. And the cool thing about this is you can practice online. It always has little symbols for your kids to count. And if you just click this little green like recycle type button, look what it does. It changes the problem. So you can constantly have new problems for your child to do. And so the way this works is you just type in. So it says Paige has 3 glow sticks, so we're going to put in number 3 there. Drew has 4 glow sticks, so we're going to put in number 4 here. And then once your child has added up all of the glow sticks, you click on the answer box and all of the numbers pop up for them to pick. So that's a good thing for counting, addition, number recognition. It's just a really good activity. So we're going to pick, so let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to put 7.
7.
And you hear that ding, that means that that's the correct answer. When you do not give the correct answer, it goes in red.
1.
And it makes that sound. Now, sometimes the kids would purposely pick the wrong one just so they can hear that sound. So I'm just warning you of that. So it's not that they don't know it. It's just that they like to hear that sound for whatever reason. But there we go. So that's how you do it. And then if you want a new problem, all you do is click on that green recycle thing again, and it comes up and you have a new problem. So there are several different dynamic activities within this one activity. There's to 10, and then there's also adding to 10 horizontally. So you'll see in a second when it comes up here, it displays the problem going horizontally instead of vertically. And then also, if you go down a little bit further, there's also an adding to 20, both vertically and horizontally, and they're all the same. You just touch the little green recycle thingy, and it gives you a new problem every time. So there are 4 different dynamic activities within that one math activity where you have countless options to just keep recycling it and keep getting new problems and allowing your child to complete different problems, whether they are adding to 10 or adding to 20 based on your child's ability level. So I hope that this helps and it gives you some extra practice, and let me know if you have any questions for me. All right, guys, I will see you later. Bye.